to the channel, and today we're doing, as you can see, a Chick-fil-A car MUKBANG. I'm about to lose a fry. I'm trying to show them back.
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A. So we basically got all this for free almost. I only paid for the nuggets and the drinks. So I got a classic sandwich, I got a medium fry, and some nuggets. And y'all already know I had to get their lemonade because
it's gonna make you thirsty.
I'll be drinking some of his Sprite.
That's when you get to it.
What you get?
Fries. I think 12 count nuggets.
Yeah.
And
Hot.
spicy chicken sandwich.
I wanted to get spicy, but the owner sends out rewards when you go to something frequently. So they sent me a free sandwich. So I got the sandwich for free, the fries for free. Yeah, 2 sandwiches, 2 fries for free. I could have got more, but I want to save my points. And y'all already know I got that Polynesian, and he got barbecue, but I don't want barbecue. So what y'all been up to?
Back, though.
I'm eating with my nuggets. For my fries.
Oh.
Yeah. Ooh.
I think about packs of seasoned salt.
Huh?
Packs of seasoned salt.
No.
Put on fries.
The kids are gone. If y'all hear anything blowing in the mic, we're in the car, so of course the air is on. So that's probably what y'all hear. So I really, really am sorry if y'all hear that. I can't tell if y'all hear it or not.
Hot.
What?
The fries are hot.
Oh. This sauce is bomb.
I don't like that sauce. I tried it.
I do. It's good.
It's like a knockoff marinara sauce.
This tastes nothing like marinara.
To me, it tastes like a knockoff.
This is more like on barbecue side than marinara.
It tastes like barbecue to me.
This tastes nothing like, not even close to marinara.
To me.
It doesn't even taste like marinara.
I said to me.
Hold up, so you can see what it tastes like. Just put your finger right there.
I know what it tastes like.
Nothing like marinara. It's more of a knockoff barbecue than anything.
I don't like
Josh
it.
tripping.
How could I if I'm sitting down? Remember that.
Close your mouth. Don't make a sound. Don't use your voice box. You need your voice box to make a sound.
Said I couldn't. I was making noise chewing though.
I still don't make a sound.
Still made a sound. So.
Oh my gosh, we gotta do a thumbnail. We about to do a live thumbnail. You wanna open your sandwich or your fries? I mean your chicken.
Fries. I'm already eating them. I thought that fried thing was red at first.
Yeah, the large. Tells you how greedy you are. Because that's usually what you get.
But I'm saying I didn't eat nothing.
Alright, I don't know if that thumbnail's good.
You know why I thought about my water bottle up?
Where?
In the damn office. And he in Niggas. Not here in Niggas, but
Dang.
When I was at work, I was trying to say, where's my water bottle? I was thinking where I've been, and I said, it's in that office.
It's gone.
I know.
We're gonna have to buy another one.
I liked that one.
They got the same one at Walmart. Walmart behind us.
Wow, I was just thirsty all day.
That's the wrong place to leave it to, because it ain't like you can go pick it back up.
I wasn't gonna pick it up. That probably said, "What's in there for this?" We got some in there for him.
Right.
So I'll put all type of stuff in there.
Why you bring it in there?
Cause I was drinking it. Cause I was eating hot chips. Remember? I ate the hot chips, the real one in there. And I didn't plan on going there sitting down. So when I sat down, I set the water bottle down.
It's gone now. Looks like all we can get done. Did y'all see Tristan's 6th birthday vlog? The ending has a special tribute to him. So if y'all haven't seen it, go see it. I can't wait for when he gets older. He can see all these memories. Him and Baby.
I already want to be a baby again.
Hold on. Do y'all hate the fat French fries from Chick-fil-A? I do. I absolutely hate them. I only like the waffle fries. I hate when they have that thick potato one.
Checkers got the best fries though.
Checkers do have the best fries. Comment down below who has the best fries.
Somebody was arguing with me that Chick-fil-A did. I said no. If they had
Chick-fil-A has the best plain fries.
Yeah.
But seasoned fries goes to Checkers. Like, you can't compete with Checkers. Some people don't even like Checker fries. The heck?
Okay, it's breaded and it's seasoned.
Mm-hmm. And they're so good. You can reheat those.
Yeah.
Those are the only fries I'll actually reheat.
Some people refry their chicken. I mean, refry their fries.
These, I hate these. Let me have that.
Why you don't like that part?
It's too big. It's too much potato. It's like, sometimes those, because it's so much potato, they're undercooked. I don't like it. But you like those.
Yeah, with barbecue sauce.
I always eat my fries first because I hate cold fries. Which is why I always have a lot of food left over. Let's see how much I can eat for this mukbang. I really don't feel like bringing it home.
Let's see how much I can eat. Really?
I didn't even say nothing.
Yeah, you ain't gotta say nothing. I don't want to sit in the house though.
I don't sit in the house either.
Yeah.
Don't have no kids.
What you gonna do?
Well, first we need to stop by Walmart and
Let me get you 2 barbecues.
They gave us 3. You can have this one.
What the other one I done? You sure you got 3? Oh.
Oh.
At least want to go home and change the phone so we gonna go through something.
What you want to do?
I don't know.
Comment down below what y'all think we're going to do. Because we don't have no kids. Until tomorrow. It's Saturday, by the way. Until tomorrow, so I want to do something.
But I don't want to be in the hot sun, though.
I don't
It's
either.
too hot. Be somewhere dead. Or somewhere fainted.
Y'all can have the first bite. I ain't give y'all no fries.
Oh, your fries gone? I thought mine was gone, but I guess not.
I think I eat my fries everywhere I go first.
I used to put my fries on my sandwich, but it's pointless.
Why? It ain't pointless. Do y'all put y'all fries on y'all sandwich? I do. But I eat all my fries, so by the time I get to my sandwich, I have no more fries.
Those Checkers fries good on their chili burger.
Oh my gosh, y'all need to go to Checkers or Raleigh's
Ooh, chili burger.
and ask for their chili cheeseburger. When I say it's so bomb, oh my gosh, like, it's not even that, it's like not that salty, and it's just enough. Like, you need only 2.
It's chili with no beans. It's meat.
Yeah, it's chili.
Cheese
It's
sauce.
like, it almost tastes like homemade chili. I'm pretty sure it's not. But it kind of tastes like that. Give me a camera.
One day I'm gonna get a bowl of it. Damn. When it starts to get cold, get a bowl of chili.
I want to make our own chili, but yeah. These nuggets good today, or I'm just hungry. I haven't had anything
You probably
to
at
eat.
home because you didn't eat nothing.
It's 3 o'clock, so I haven't had anything to eat at all.
I didn't even bring my wallet.
I woke up, what, 11:30?
I think.
And was like on and off sleep. Cause my room is so dark. In the morning time, after I drop him off, I go back home and go to sleep. And I don't realize that I'm like asleep for like 6 more hours.
Everything is raining outside because how I look.
Oh.
Raining. Oh, yeah, it's raining. No barbecue sauce. That barbecue sauce over the beauty.
This is bomb. Oh, wait. Let me use your own nugget, though. I got you, babe. Come eat for the camera.
You said your own nugget. Damn, I didn't know that was on the top.
Come on, man. You keep dropping stuff on my purse.
No, Chick-fil-A. Trying to hook me up with that drink.
Heck yeah. Get that off the top.
How?
You know how. Use that mouth.
I ain't doing it.
Do it. Just slurp it.
I don't know what them little girl hands, man. They be touching the top
Okay,
of
we'll
my
pour it
lid.
out.
They touch the top of my lid. Just give me a napkin.
Why you gotta use a napkin? You could have just poured it out.
I could
Here you
have.
go.
But I ain't want to lose no Sprite in the process. You know what I'm saying?
When you watch this video again, you're gonna see what I did.
What you do?
You gotta watch this video again.
Everybody Sprite trash besides McDonald's.
Spike.
Sprite.
Alright, baby. Baby, I always call Sprite Spike.
Come on, Spike.
Come on, Sprite, mama. Dad, come on, Sprite. Can y'all believe my kids waste Chick-fil-A? Are they crazy?
You don't even want a toy?
Cause you don't get a damn toy, you get a book. Chick-fil-A don't give out toys, they give out books. That's why they don't care about Chick-fil-A. They like McDonald's. You waste that too.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A said they can make money off using recycled paper.
Heck yeah. Put some colors, some words, some activities in that book.
I'll be glad it just don't come with an activity on the back of the bag.
Sometimes they do.
I know, I'm saying, but they don't get nothing else included. That's their toy.
Oh, that'd be messed up. Because technically, for all kids' meals, you're paying for the toy.
They don't make toys the same no more like they used to.
Burger King had the best toys
did.
growing up. Every Nickelodeon movie, every Disney movie that came out, Burger King was on it.
Mm-hmm. Burger King slanging now.
There's a whole bunch of places to park at. Why park right here?
I don't know.
This is annoying. We're in this big old parking lot. There's so many places to park at. Why park right next to me? There's like all these empty parking spots.
You know people nosy.
Annoying.
Yeah, they Sprite ain't touching McDonald's Sprite.
McDonald's got the best Sprite.
I bet you that
Hands
Sprite
down.
tastes better than Royal of Coke Sprite.
You gotta go. When I say it's fresh, it's
I don't
so
want
fresh.
a freestyle machine though.
They have, I haven't been there in a long time, so I don't know what all they added on. But last time I've been, it was like elementary school. And they had like, certain areas had just dedicated to the drinks. And I'm pretty sure they don't have that now. Because they have so many different drinks.
Well, if I go, they're gonna have to keep me away from the Sprite and Dr. Pepper.
Who in this car next to me? Are they eating?
No, they just sitting right there. They ain't still eating, yeah. I don't think they eat.
That's so annoying. There's other places to park at. Why park by somebody ducked off in the secluded area of the parking lot?
Baby glad ain't on that side. I'd be like this out the window.
Here, put that in the bag. Man, you finna eat your sandwich too?
Yeah.
I don't think I can do it, guys.
I know I can. I ain't gonna think. I'm fat. Is this filet chicken?
Heck yeah. Oh my gosh, Instagram, every time I'm hungry, Instagram be having these chicken sandwiches that look just like it's from Chick-fil-A. But I guess they be putting filters on their chicken. Because that chicken be looking so good. Y'all almost caught me slipping. I was inhaling and drinking at the same time. I about killed myself. We need to get like a little tray to put up here so they can see what we're eating.
Yeah.
Where can we find one? I think I just bite my salad. I'm not gonna be able to eat this.
Sure, they got here quick.
I know.
It was just Tuesday, Monday.
On a Tuesday.
How do you say his name?
I don't even know who sings it. On a Tuesday. I think he's Hawaiian, isn't he? Who puts pickles on a chicken sandwich? I just want to know.
That's you should put on a burger, but they don't sell beef.
I don't get how they sell beef, but they sell pork. Pork is worse than cows. I can't eat this sandwich, guys. But I eat mine
I'd go in there with a burger.
They'll probably kick you out. I haven't had an original chicken sandwich in so long, so I don't even know if this is going to be good to me.
The original chicken sandwich is boring.
Yeah, the spicy one is good. Can I stop you with my pickle?
I take my thought to myself.
Okay, I'll take one bite. Oh, the plain sandwich is not that good. That's all for me. I can just. Oh, save my sauce.
I'm glad I ain't gotta get up in the morning.
Me too. Chad's gotta get up early in the morning. I gotta drive him to work.
I was tempted to go back home because I had these batteries
No, I was
so bad.
making you go.
But I had these batteries, so I said either get me in or get me home because I had these damn batteries.
Get you in or get you home. I can get you in at home. That was a good one, man. What are they doing?
She's just talking. She's about short. Her head is taller than her. This right here. It's like all the way up here.
But why park over here? Why? That's the whole reason why I parked over here.
They probably thought they knew you.
You say that about everybody. The whole world does not know me.
You don't know.
One day they will.
You don't know who knows you.
You don't know who know you. Oh wait,
that's
you
anybody.
You go into Walmart. Hey Chaz. Hey Pud. Hey Chaz. Hey Pud. You so and so brother.
It ain't just Walmart. It's just everywhere.
Oh, so you a celebrity?
I don't know. I'm not.
You a Z-list celebrity.
Damn, Z-list.
I mean, they got E-list celebrities, D-list. Like, how far does it go?
Oh, probably all the way to Z.
Well, that's where you're at, because you're local.
Oh, no, I think...
You know, a good about 100.
100? Oh, more than 100 people. I just had to stop and bite my sandwich. I know way more than 100 people.
Somebody's full of themselves.
And I'm just saying, 100?
Yeah, I see.
That's not even scuffing. That ain't even scuffing the surface.
Oh, now it wants to balance out.
Just about everybody.
Oh, when I bring this in here, look. I just want y'all to know, Chaz has a medium fry, a 12-count nugget, and a full sandwich, and his drink. I only was able to eat a 12-count nugget, a medium fry, a bite of a sandwich, and my drink. Which, if you want to be technical, I had a meal.
Next Matt Stoney.
You cannot top Matt Stoney. Have you ever seen Matt Stoney? That boy can eat.
Not more than me.
You about to be full after this.
Ooh.
You.
I eat like 12 more of these.
He's lying,
12
guys.
more of these. Okay.
He can only eat that and then he'll be done. As soon as he eat that last bite, he's gonna be stuffed. He's gonna be ready for bed.
It's early for me to go to bed.
I said you're gonna be ready for bed, not you're going to bed. Alright guys, I don't want to make this video too long.
Show them we at the beach.
Oh, y'all want to see how we got the car set up? Hold on.
We're
at the beach.
It's just not in the sand.
Yep, our feet is in the sand. I about to say our feet are in the sand. Our feet is in the sand. Right there. Hey, I just did a reaction video to this song right here. Check it out. Alright, say bye.
Peace.
Alright guys, I'm about to go ahead and end this vlog. Well, it's not really a vlog. I meant to say car MUKBANG. So yeah, scratch that out. Car MUKBANG. And we're about to go to Walmart and get his water bottle, and then I go home so he can get changed, and then I guess maybe I'll vlog. Probably not. I usually don't vlog when I'm out because I'll be too busy. Alright guys, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.